Hello guys! So, September na. It's 9 out of 12 sa ating series monthly video challenge natin. Our entry for this month, it's simply just a vlog and behind the scenes nung naging shoot namin recently sa Anabru. So, we did a very big project actually with Kuya Mark as the director and choreographer. Maraming nangyari sa shoot. Hindi man namin nakunan lahat na nakuhaan yung buong process to really explain how it all went down. But I hope na makatulong yung behind the scenes, yung mga conversations namin within the shoot to give an insight how we made the output. And syempre, lilink ko yung output dito. Yan. So you can watch it. Konting background lang dun sa project na ito. We really planned for this ng matagal-tagal, like a few months before, and actually gumawa pa kami ng storyboard. Ayan. And maraming process na pinagdaanan. So ikwento ko paano siya nagsimula. We had this idea kasi talaga na gumawa ng dance video where we collaborate with the ideas and pinagbabangga namin yung cinematography and the choreography. So, first of all, we had this idea of a dance video na chill lang yung vibe. It's all about friends getting together. So, yun yung idea. We're blessed to have the opportunity to shoot with Anabru Street Cafe. So, you can visit them if you want to. Visit namin yung place like a few months before to see and plan how we would do the shoot. Tapos, after that, doon na yung song, and then yun nga, nagplan kami kung ano yung mga shots, ano yung ideas, brainstorm kami, and then we did the storyboard and everything, yung sequence ng shots. It's very successful in a way na mas nasunod namin yung mga plans naming shots, though syempre yung sa schedule and sa mga challenges na andun yung mga obstacles on the day, kailangan talaga matutong mag-adapt. Speaking of mixing cinematography and choreography, yung constraints namin with the place, may mga parts kasi na medyo masikip, and syempre, a coffee shop, di naman talaga siya for dance, di ba? So, may mga areas na gusto namin sana mag-incorporate ng movement. So, kung makikita niyo yung sa stairs part, yan. Kumbaga, nag-isip kami ng way how we can present yung movement, yung shapes, yung galaw ng mga dancers with a different perspective, and syempre challenge ourselves din. So na-challenge ako as a videographer, as a cinematographer, how I would execute the shot, but also na-challenge din sila Kuya Mark as choreographer and dancers na yung movement nila will be seen with a different perspective. Kasi, syempre, sanay naman usually yung mga dancers na they're dancing front, harap-harapan. Doon naka-optimize yung movement nila. But this time, we did top-down view. Ayun. Kasi it's okay with me. Guys, ayan. DIY kung DIY. Walang step-up ring. Tape lang.
One more safety shot?
Yep, that's good.
So we're still, nakukulitan pa rin
Ayun guys, tanggal na yung ND filter kasi medyo dumidilim na. And sa dance part na tayo. So, tataasan natin yung aperture para mas nasa focus lahat ng characters. Kasi, ang hirap nang nakaboke yung iba. Sayang naman yung step nila. Sayang naman yung effort. So, I think I'll go with at least 5.6.
150 ka lang talaga sa shot.
Para sa yung motion blur. Pero actually, mamaya, yung dun sa taas, tatanggalin ko yung motion blur kasi mas focus na yun sa choreography. So yun guys, you can utilize yung motion blur. Depende sa kung ano yung shoot mo.
Life hacks.
Life hacks.
Life hacks. Anong masasabi mo, Cards?
Wala lang, sabit lang ako dito eh.
Basta ang experience.
Ha?
Basta ang experience.
Nantok ako boy.
Bali, 1.8 na kulitan niya, 1.8 na papunta doon.
1.8 na kulitan. 1.8 na kulitan papunta doon. Dito. Tapos 1.8 pataas. 5, 6, 7, 8,
Tatay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and ha. Nice. Nice one, Greg. 6, 7, 8, and pa. Sweet. Ano? Six na reward. 5, 6, 7, and...
Saan, ano dito sa sakop natin, boys?
Just this part, tapos half body.
Ilan kayo, boys?
Tatlo kami.
Patingin niyo ako ng blouse. Paano yung pasok na ito, boys? Ano yung awal ko na
So, silang dalawa, nakafix na dito.
Tingnan natin. Nakikita niyo? Nakikita ba? Nakikita ba? Yan, yan. So, endorse natin. Monitor and control app. Ayan. So, judge natin si Bart. Shot mo. B-roll master. Naka-center fix yung focus niya na. O naka-manual ka? Pwede pala kita tulungan.
Ulit-ulit. Ano yan?
Nag-uutos ng pabirol daw, tapos magre-reklamo si siya.
Nagreklamo ako, boy. Sabi
Tapos
ko,
magiging elam pa.
Sabi
Hindi
ko
pala
kasi-
nagsasabi.
sabi ko kasi sa'yo, ako mag-full ng focus.
Nais mo, kala ko yung inano mo lang, in-automatic mo.
Hindi ko tumutot. Travel. Para sumikat sa YouTube, kailangan nag-aaway. Kailangan ano,
May drama.
may drama ka lang.
May drama.
Ayun yung intro, ayun yung umpisa. Nag-aaway, no? Di ba? Tapos, ano hindi may,
Ano kasi?
naka-black and white.
Ano ka ba
Up
si
next.
Besa kasi ka Jazz?
May
drama
up next.
Big drama.
Nag-aaway-aaway. Ayusin mo kasi bro, ayusin mo yung shot mo.
Vlog mo to eh.
Actor.
Vlog mo to eh.
Actually, not that bad either.
Kain na kayo, mag-merienda kayo.
Away kayo? Away kayo ulit?
We will get some.
Napalit lang ng less nag-away pa.
Okay, action, go. 5, 4, 3.
Boss, balitaw, dancer ka na.
Gusto ko yan.
Legit. Nangyari po sa bahay ngayon.
Nag-aaway lang ng scholarship ah.
Ginawang PBB.
2 points mo para kay Spencer.
Okay, good space. Check muna dito from here. 5, 6, 7. Okay.
Okay ka.
Nice.
Ako yung late. Shots ako pwedeng, hindi, I mean, na yung sa para hindi biglaan na mawala yung kape. Like I can put in some B-rolls from the place.
Okay.
Okay. Tapos balik dun sa naglalaro kayo ng ulo na walang ano, walang ko.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So para safe tayo.
Okay, good.
Vlog niya pala to. Vlog niya to. Ang dilim.
Yung okay lang.
Tapos movement, hindi, ano mo na lang. Tingnan mo na lang pag nandito na ako. Sige.
Nakashoot pala yun?
Yes. BTS. Should we keep it at a boundary ba?
Yeah, that's good. Until sa bago dito, more on the emotion tour. Dito inalis ko kahit kung may kita mo mas snappy yung... So since ito yung parang main dance part, so binawasan ko yung emotion tour.
Kasi yung part na ginawa ko para doon. Yeah, this one gave it a bit of...
So yung mga first part, so okay lang. Parang meron tayong progression na parang first part. Third part. Yun lang talaga. Same lang. Parang dito yung... It's okay.
Dito tayo sa pasok.
Guys, yan. Hi, hello. Ayan, tapos na kami sa shoot. Yan, paano bakit na? Videographer. Videographer mo yan. Tapos na kami sa shoot. Yan, abangan niyo yung output. Anong nasabi mo, Kuis?
I'll just let you lead this one. I'm always on the camera. But yeah, wait lang. It's all good. Sobrang nakaka-excite yung magiging output ng project na to. So, let's freaking go. Let's go. Go na.
Let's go. Alright. So guys, i-explain ko lang yung mga pangyayari sa behind the scenes.
Patak mga sumama.
Yan. Ayan yung team. Videographer, guys. Videographer. Cinematographer, guys. Ayun, so yun yung behind the scenes. That's the process that we did. Though hindi namin nakunan lahat kasi syempre busy rin yung mga assistants. Shoutout kay Barts and kay Monde sa laking tulong sa lights and syempre sa pag-capture ng BTS. Kasi supposedly, mag-isa lang akong pupunta doon and hindi kita talaga kakayanin na sobrang daming kailangan may hawak. And syempre kulang yung stands and everything. And it's very helpful. Looking forward to exploring more, to doing more projects like this, and na kung saan talagang nagmi-mix yung magkaibang art form and nasi-challenge yung bawat isa. Again, ito yung entry natin for this month of September for the series, for the challenge na full year, merong one video for 1 month and different things. So, konti na lang. 10, 11, 12. So, 3 na lang. Yan. 3 na lang. Actually, may mga ibang ideas na ako for the next entries. So, abangan nyo yun. Like nyo lang and subscribe and follow nyo para makita natin ano pa yung mga pwede nating gawin and ma-explore pa natin. Yun lang.